In this video, we will show you how to create your own personalized tab in the ribbon here, just like this, and your own command in your personal tab. So let's start. There are commands in Excel with which you can format your text. You can change the font from here. You can change the font size from here. You can make the text bold from here. You can make the text italic and underline from these options. You can change the background color of the text as well as the color of the text itself from here. Okay, and you can also wrap the text within the cell from this option and many more. For each and every formatting, you have to click one particular command. But what if we want to create a personalized button that we call a super formatting button that will make a text that we select bold, italic, a particular font size, a particular color, particular font, and it will also wrap the text within the cell and create a border around the cell only with a single click of the button. So let's start making the super formatting button and add these to your customized ribbon here like this. Here is a sample text. There are two lines that we will use as an example. While doing this, first we need to create a macro. Now, what is a macro? A macro is a set of repetitive tasks in Excel that you can run as many times as you want. When you create a macro, you are recording your mouse clicks and keystrokes. So let us start recording our own macro. And for that, we need to go to the developer tab. Now, it is possible that the developer tab is not present in the ribbon in your computer. So to make it visible, you have to just simply right click on the ribbon, click on customize the ribbon, and then from here, you will have to find the developer option. Just check it like this and click on OK. So now you will see that the developer option has come into the ribbon, and here is the option of recording a macro. So I am just clicking on the record macro option. This dialog box appears that says record macro and it asks for a macro name. So now I am giving a name super format to this macro. There is a shortcut key that you can give or not as per your wish. In the description, I will write that this macro will format a text with multiple parameters. Okay, so that is the function of our macro. This macro will be stored as you want. You can store it in this workbook, in a new workbook also, or your personal macro workbook. So we will see the other options in our further videos, but for time being, we are selecting this workbook and clicking on OK. Okay, so now our macro has been started recording. Now this macro recording is not like a video recording. In video recording, each and everything that is on the screen that is recorded, but in case of a macro recording, it is only recording the keystrokes and the mouse clicks as you do it. Like I am now clicking on this home tab. So that is recorded by the macro. Here is the list of the formatting that are to be done, and we will record it in the macro. Now the first thing is to make the font bold. We have selected the intended text, and now we will simply click on the bold option. The text has become bold. Next, we have to make it italic, so we will click on the italics option. Next is the font size is to be 20. So we will go to the font size and make it 20. Okay. The next thing is we have to make the color of the text blue. So we will go to the color option, and from there we will choose more color, and as per our choice of the color, we will set blue and click on OK. The next thing is we have to make the text wrapped. So we will simply click on the wrap text, and you see it is wrapped. Further, we have to create a border around the cell. So we will select the cell and we'll go to the border option, and from here we will click on outside borders. So these are the formatting that were to be done through our macro. Now we will go again to the developer tab and we'll click on the stop recording. Our macro has been recorded. But how to utilize that macro or another text? So the first thing, we will go back to the original formatting of the text, and now we will redo the formatting with the help of the macro at once. Go to the developer tab, click on the insert option, and from here form controls, we will select one button. We'll prepare one button here, and it will ask immediately which macro you want to assign with this button. We have only one recorded macro here. We'll select that is super format, and we'll click on OK. We have a button here, and we can change the caption by right clicking on it. Super formatting. We can change the formatting from here. We can make it bold or italic, but we cannot change the color. So we have now one button that can do the super formatting that we have recorded earlier. So we will select one piece of text and click on this super formatting, and you see at once all the formatting has taken place that we had earlier recorded in our macro. Okay. This also is valid for any other piece of text that we will select from here. Now we are selecting this cell and click on super formatting button, and you see the formatting of this text also has been changed. Now if you want that, like this bold, italic, underline, these options, you will have your own option in your own tab in the ribbon itself. Then you have to do some extra steps. You have to go again to the ribbon, right click on it and click on customize the ribbon. And here on the right side, you can click on new tab from here. See here, one new tab has been inserted with a new group. So you can change the name of both of them. Right click on the new tab, click on rename, and give a display name like my own tab. Okay, click on OK. So it is now my own tab, and under this one new group is also there. You can right click on it and click on rename. So one rename dialog box will be here, which will prompt you to change icon that you can select from here. You select anything. Display name you can also change as anything you like. I am giving here my comments and click on OK. So my comment has come here. I will now click on the OK button, and you can see that here after the home, one my own tab is created. Now you can change the position of this my own tab from again here. You go there and drag it to the last, so it will come to the last. Click on OK, and it is at the end. Now this my own tab is blank. You don't have any command listed here, just like this bold, italic or anything else. So to have one command here, just that we have created, we will right click on it, go to customize the ribbon, and while selecting the my own tab and my commands, we will go to the choose commands from. On the left side, click on the combo box, and from here we will select macros. Now in this macros list, those are the inbuilt macro functions of Excel. Now in this list, we have to search for our macro that we have recorded, that is super format. Okay, select the super format macro and click on add. Now you see that super format has come here. Now to give it a picture as you want, you can rename it. You can select any one symbol from here and click on OK. Click on OK again, and here in your own tab, the super format option has been displayed. By clicking this, you can do the formats as you did in the macro. Now you select any cell and click on super format, and you can see formatting of the text inside the cell has been changed as per the macro we have recorded. If you have liked this video and want to see many of such advanced level Excel videos, subscribe to our channel. Share this video with anyone who would like this. Thank you very much for watching.